Title: Authentic Kenyan Githeri Recipe, a Flavorful Journey. Welcome to Grace Cooking Show. Today, we are taking a culinary journey to Kenya to make a traditional and hearty dish called Githeri. This one-pot meal is a staple in Kenyan households and is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups dried maize, corn kernels or canned corn. 2 cups dried kidney beans or canned beans. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 large tomato, chopped. 1 carrot, diced. 1 green bell pepper, chopped. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 4 cups water. Fresh cilantro for garnish. First, let's prepare our ingredients. If you're using dried maize and beans, you'll need to soak them overnight and boil them until tender. For a quicker version, you can use canned corn and beans. Heat your pot over medium heat and add the vegetable oil. Once hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they are translucent. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Now, add the chopped tomato, diced carrot, and chopped green bell pepper. Stir well and let them cook for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Then, add the spices, curry powder, paprika, ground cumin, and turmeric. Mix everything together to combine the flavors. Add the cooked maize and beans to the pot. If you're using canned ingredients, be sure to drain and rinse them first. Stir everything together so the spices and vegetables are evenly distributed. Pour in the water and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This allows all the flavors to melt together beautifully. Once your githeri is cooked and the water has reduced, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. And there you have it, authentic Kenyan githeri. This dish is perfect on its own or as a side. It's packed with protein, fiber, and an array of flavors. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes from around the world. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Delicious me, watch it grow.